This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnie Weaver. Extremely rare opportunity to own this amazing 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, over 3,000 square foot home with gorgeous pool/SBA on 1.5 acres. Are you ready for this? It also has 4-car detached garage, 1,000 square feet workshop equipped with water, AC, electricity and sewer, and an additional storage shed. You will fall in love with this property from the moment you drive down the brick paved driveway bordered by tall palm trees. Drive around the circular driveway to the house where you will see multiple parking areas and a chicken coop with live chickens producing fresh eggs. This must stay with the property. Don't let the outside of the house fool you, it's much larger than it appears. The living/dining room combination, family room, foyer and master have gleaming maplewood flooring. Fantastic kitchen with huge island, attractive hanging pot rack, double oven west/exhaust hood, big pantry, and granite countertops. Off the kitchen/family room you will find a bonus room, 20 by 16, complete with terrazzo floors, surround sound and double French doors leading out to cover lanai and pool area. All the bedrooms are exceptionally large and one of them has private entrance from the outside, would make a great office. The whole house has plantation shutters. The beautiful sparkling pool/spa area has recently been rescreened with super screen, pool resurfaced, new pavers, pool pump, heater, controller and converted to salt water all is 2020. You can see from the pictures that there is plenty of room to entertain and grill out there. If that's not enough to make you want to see this home, how about the fact that there's also a big fire pit surrounded by pavers, a fenced-in area for your pets, more patios in this beautiful park-like setting, and 12 different kinds of fruit trees throughout the property. There is a well on the property and the owner just put a new pump/pipe/wiring last month and new pressure tank in May. The plants along the sides of house all stay and have automatic drop system to keep them alive and healthy. I could go on and on about this phenomenal piece of paradise, but you really need to see it for yourself. No deed restrictions or HOA here. Great location, close to many restaurants, shopping and great schools. Don't wait, I promise it won't last long. For more information, review the details below or